Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Nice to have you back, Pisces. On Monday, the planetary configuration is highlighting that in order to have healthy communication between you and your partner, it is necessary that you address and express the things that you generally tend to hide or keep to yourself. It is not possible to have transparency, honesty, and therefore trust in an intimate partner if you are not willing to share all parts of yourself. True intimacy is built on feeling that we can share our deepest and darkest secret with one another without fear of judgment or disconnection. Today is a great day to practice sharing more of what makes you uncomfortable with your lover. You may feel some pressure to have it all figured out. But remember that nobody ever has it all figured out. Remember the adage, to err is human, to forgive it's divine. That doesn't mean just forgiving others. You must learn to appreciate your own ability to forgive yourself. Judgment will prevent you from listening to your own intuition. Your basic needs are to eat well, to get plenty of rest, and to exercise. Try with all three today. On Tuesday, the moon is in your third house. Do you have an easy time communicating your thoughts and feelings in your romantic partnerships? Are you able to be as open and transparent as you could be in the way you express yourself? These are all necessary and relevant questions to ask yourself. One of the most important and fundamental pillars of a healthy and successful relationship is honest, direct, clear, and open communication. So often, two people could be very much in love and compatible. However, things don't work out between them because they are simply not on the same page, constantly misunderstanding one another due to a lack of openness. This is a good time for you to practice bringing more of these elements into your relationship. Make a promise with your partner where you both make a commitment to making sure that you are as transparent with one another as Wednesday may be a good time to change things up where you live, especially if you want to have more romantic privacy to yourself. The nurturing moon and sensual Venus come together in your fourth house of foundations, shining a light on domestic matters. You may have certain anxieties about making a big shift in your love life, but your confidence will grow incrementally as time passes and as you get used to the new vision you have for affairs of the heart. The thought of reinventing yourself is exciting, especially if it's been a while since you felt motivated to make big changes in your romantic world. Your ideals will feel especially sensitive to you today. You may sympathize with others more than you normally do, but be careful that you don't get caught up in the role of champion for others. That is a noble sentiment, but you need to stay focused on yourself right now, and this will take some committed effort. Go for a run with a friend and discuss issues that concern you. The increased oxygen intake will settle your mind. On Thursday, there's a lot on your plate today, but you have the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time, and this will help you to get work done faster. You'd be so much rather concentrate on current matters of the heart, so you will have to be quite productive in the early hours of the day if there's any chance of engaging in some romantic fun later on. If you're in the position to do something active with a sweetheart tonight, make it happen even if you have to do virtual version over a video chat. There are days when even you don't want adventure, and with today's planetary alignment, this is probably one of them. Your sense of humor is likely to be downright dormant. Perhaps your expansive nature has gone inward and you feel the need to reflect on the times gone by and the times on the road ahead. There is much to be gained by going inward. Try yoga to help support the process. On Friday, you are being asked to realize the importance of spending downtime with your partner. Allowing yourself to just be with one another in the empty stillness enables you to experience a level of closeness and intimacy that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. In this day and age, people are so concerned and caught up in always doing something with their partners out of fear of boredom. This results in you ending up missing out on the beauty of making it more about who you're with and the quality of time you spend with them rather than where you are or what you're doing. Today would be a great time to allow yourself to spend some quality time with your partner at home and maybe just cuddle and cook with them something special. On Saturday, one of the wonderful things about you is that you warm up slowly. You can really be sure about what you are doing because you don't adopt things immediately. Revel in your easy pace and continue to focus on yourself, one day at a time. The moon today is in your 8th house, however, it is also squaring Mars in your 5th house of romance. This configuration is emphasizing the importance of finding the balance between the fun, light-hearted, sexy parts of your intimate partnerships and the heavier, deeper, and darker aspects of it. You cannot have a healthy and successful relationship without having either of these two components to be a part of it. Today is a great day for you to practice finding the sweet spot between those dynamics between you and your lover. Learn how to enjoy yourself and just have a good time while also making sure that you are also sharing the less bouncy parts of yourself with one another. On Sunday, give yourself plenty of room. Your need for independence is high, as is your need to concentrate on yourself. You may worry about what others think of your behavior, but the truth is they have their own behavior to worry about. Take action for your health today. This is how you will get your space, your concentration, and feel like you are making progress. Remember, there is no step too small. Choose to have choice in what you eat. Organic is worth it. The moon is in your 2nd house today. However, it is also squaring Mars in your 11th house. This is emphasizing the importance of sharing common values on a fundamental level with your partner in order to have a sense of true closeness and friendship with one another. It is also very natural that you will always have certain values, even if small ones, that you disagree on with another person. In order to have a safe space for differences to coexist between you and your lover, it is necessary to have some level of friendship be a foundation of your relationship.
Money and career.
On Monday, investments made without proper contemplation will always have adverse repercussions. As the week starts, your financial situation will re-stabilize. Remember, do not take any financial decisions in a hurry without analyzing all the pros and cons. Overall, the week seems to be very good for matters pertaining to your finance and money. Refrain from real estate and property deals as they will not prove to be very profitable for you. You will be able to manage your finances very well, especially from this week onwards. On Tuesday, financial benefits from relatives on the maternal side is a distinct possibility. Businessmen will also make a substantial amount of profit by dealing with companies located overseas. Investments made in the past will yield moderate fruits. Do not try to cut corners and earn money quickly. Such unethical ways of earning will always end in a disaster. On Wednesday, you will find yourself in a philosophical state of mind. You will be able to see things for what they are really rather than what they appear to be. You are unlikely to try and swim against the tide today. Given your mental state, you will take things as they come to you one at a time. Some bad news could come your way and likely keep your mind convulsed with stress. On Thursday, you are enthusiastic about mixing with people and you will feel like combining business and leisure. You will be encouraged to take part in group activities as you have the ability to work and have fun at the same time. It is as a matter of fact you may emerge wiser from others' ideas. This day you will be prone to be stubborn and uncompromising in your business and professional dealings and thereby inviting unnecessary problems. On Friday, the moon urges you to guard against the tendency and conduct yourself cordially and amiably with your colleagues and clients. The day will turn out well for executives and administrators. Do not fret too much about the work in hand. Things will turn out fine. Routine work bores you and today you will go all out to break free from the shackles of boredom. The results, however, may not be as dramatic. You will have to depend on your children, if any, to rescue you from the tyranny of routine. Monetary gains can be expected either in the form of inheritance of ancestral property or as an increment in your basic salary. On Saturday, you will wish to display your social prestige and monetary clout in front of your relatives, but you have to pay a heavy price for that. Your past experience will teach you something which will stand in good stead for future dealings. No matter how far you go, there is always a horizon that you desire to reach. And what holds true for all outer projections of life most certainly holds true for one's inner self as well. Bear this in mind as you strive to improve yourself in as many as possible. You might consider part-time courses and crash courses to help increase your skills and double your efficiency. Self-improvement is a never-ending process. On Sunday, financial doldrums are headed your way today. In order to seek what you desire, expect shelling out a hefty price. You might just net those short-term goals in the evening. Your zodiac foretells large and important business deals will end the day on a high note. Today you may be able to undertake travel for business or pleasure purposes. It may be a busy day for you work-wise and you may not be able to completely focus on your family or family issues. Try your luck in the stock market today as it may prove beneficial for you today.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.